Hey everyone, welcome back to English Story Days, the place where learning English becomes simple, fun, and real. Today I'm not going to teach you grammar or vocabulary lists. Instead, I will tell you a small story with daily conversation that happens in shops, markets, and cafes just like in real life. So, if you have ever felt sad while buying something or ordering food in English, this video will help you speak with confidence in those moments. Let's begin. At the shop, Shia walks into a stationery shop. Shia, excuse me, do you have blue gel pens? Shopkeeper, yes, we do. How many would you like? Shia, just two, please. Shopkeeper, anything else? Shia, do you sell notebooks as well? Shopkeeper, yes, right over there on the second shelf. Shia, thank you. I will take one. Shopkeeper, that will be 75. Shia, here you go. Keep the change. Shopkeeper, thank you. Have a nice day. Shia, you too. Did you notice how Shia used simple, polite phrases? Try saying them with me. Do you have? Just two, please. Anything else? Have a nice day. At the market. Now Shia visit the vegetable market. Shia, hello. How much are the tomatoes? Vendor, 30 per kilo. Shia, okay. I will take 2 kilos, please. Vendor, sure. Anything else? Sia, yes. Half a kilo of onions too. Vendor, all right. That's 90 total. Sia, here is 100. Vendor, do you need a bag? Sia, no. I have my own. Thank you. Useful phrases to remember. How much are the tomatoes? I will take 2 kilos, please. Do you need a bag? I have my own. Later, Sia goes to a cafe with her friend Seema. Waiter, hello, what can I get for you today? Shia, I will have a cappuccino, please. Seema, I would like a cold coffee. Waiter, anything to eat? Sia, do you have sandwiches? Waiter, yes, veg, cheese, and grilled. Seema, we will take one grilled sandwich, please. Waiter, great. Your order will be ready in 10 minutes. Sia, thank you. In cafes, we often use I'll have, I'd like, do you have anything to eat? So, now you have learned how to speak English in real places, in a shop, at the market, or in a cafe. You have seen how small phrases like do you have, I will take, or I have my own can help you express yourself easily and naturally. But more than just learning these phrases, today you took one more step toward becoming a confident English speaker, and that matters. It really does. Because I know sometimes we feel nervous, sometimes we stop ourselves from speaking English because we are afraid of making mistakes. We think, what if I say something wrong? Or what if people laugh at my English? But let me tell you something important. My friend, fluency doesn't come from perfection, it comes from practice. You don't need to speak like native. You just need to speak like you, with honesty, with effort, and with the courage to try. And when you speak from the heart, people will always understand you. Every time you use a small English sentence, Even something like how much is this? Or no, thank you. You are not just speaking English, you are building confidence. You are telling yourself, yes, I can do this. And you really can. So please keep going, repeat these phrases, practice them at home, use them when you go out. Talk to yourself, to your mirror, or even to your camera. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new lesson or story. Speak with heart, learn with joy, and believe in yourself always. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.